Here's my 94 Yuki, all white. Got the 33s on the 22s. A little dirty. Truck's been sitting for a while. Made them into custom Punisher wheels. Got the Dirt Commanders on there. Right now, she got the Rough Country 6-inch lift, front and back. It's a little dirty. Like I said, it's been sitting for a while. Paint's chipping, but I'm gonna probably repaint it or rewrap it. Redo the bumper. Said the paint's chipping. I don't care. Wait for all of it to fall off so I can repaint it, rewrap it. I got a wrap in mind. See if it works. Oh, but yeah, it's my little beast. See what's inside. Just got here. So this is the inside. Got a bunch of boxes, parts, like working on the swap. Kid's car seat, a bunch of junk and shit. Still gotta clean it. Well, let's open up the hood so we can start it up. So this is what she got right now. We got the 350 TBI. Everything's pretty much stock, except the spacer right there. The throttle body. Got these Edelbrock valve covers. Aftermarket headers. That's about it. And the intake, or the air intake. I did rebuild it about, maybe it's going on 3 years now. Rebuilt it at about 200-something thousand miles. The engine's good, but it's the transmission is going out, so I don't get as much power as I should be. So when I'm going uphill or something, it starts to overheat because the engine's just working too much. I got this battery shutoff valve, so it doesn't kill my battery. Very easy to install. So if you ever come out to your car and it doesn't start and you have your battery connected and it's been a while, that's why you have it connected and your battery's just been sucking up all the juice. So this is what I do. Just boom, when I'm ready to come and start it or run it, reconnect that. Turn the battery off, of course. Start it up. As you can see, I'm like 292,000 miles. So yeah, I think it's due for a swap, don't you think?